And this afternoon, jurors returned a verdict after just 3 hours of deliberations.
Yeah, the trial lasted a little more than a week. Sentencing starts tomorrow. Adam Bennett was in court for the Josue Flores case. Both Jackson and Flores' families getting emotional in the courtroom after the verdict was read. Adam?
That's right, Len. And Jackson himself began crying even before that verdict was read. The 7 women and 5 men on that jury avoided eye contact as they walked back into the courtroom. Josue Flores' father told us he'll talk tomorrow and gave a big thumbs up when asked if he was happy with a verdict he's been waiting nearly 6 years to hear. Prosecutors spoke with Flores' family moments after the verdict. Jackson's family went to his side room and left without talking to reporters. Both prosecutors and defense made their closing arguments this morning inside the standing room only courtroom. It was the first time Judge Denise Collins allowed audio recording inside.
He's wearing like a black shirt and some like cargo pants.
Prosecutors played 911 tapes and parts of Jackson's police interrogation. They argued while eyewitnesses got some details wrong, they got the big picture right.
He's running on the left side. All of them have the jacket on the shoulder.
They told jurors there's no other explanation for how Flores' DNA ended up on Jackson's jacket.
When you're trying to say it ain't him, there's nobody else.
Jackson's lawyers said witnesses contradicted each other. They said investigators didn't try hard enough to verify Jackson's whereabouts before the attack or do thorough forensics in the shelter he was staying. They also argued the amount of Flores' DNA on Jackson's jacket was much smaller than it should have been given how the attack happened.
You would expect to find some DNA from Josue Flores inside this jacket. But what are we limited to? What is the state of Texas and the analysts saying? Oh, it's on a cuff. We don't know which cuff, right, left. We don't know if it's inside or outside. And it's tiny, 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 tiny.
Sentencing starts tomorrow afternoon at 12:15. The judge will handle that after a request by Jackson, who could choose whether he wanted the judge or a jury to make that decision. He faces between 5 years to life in prison. Len.
Sentencing, as you said, tomorrow. Adam, thank you. Been on the trial for the last week or so. On KHOU.com, we have a section devoted to this case with what happened each day of the trial. We'll send a push alert when sentencing gets underway. You can get alerts to your phone simply by downloading the KHOU 11 app.